Patch.
Patch is a matchmaking game where the player can find a partner or potential relationship in the real world by venturing through the game. First, the player creates an account or logs in if he or she has already joined the Patch community. After logging in, the game will lead the player to a page of questions to answer. Patch is an adventure story where a penguin named Patch loses his photo taken with his long-lost love, his ex-girlfriend. After lunging for the photo, Patch accidentally falls from the plane into the lanternfish ship's control room. Here, Patch's adventures begin. The rules of the game are simple. There are 5 stages. To move on to the next stage, players must complete their task by searching and finding the correct objects according to the hint given. Once an object is found, a simple yes or no question will appear for the player to answer. For example, I never get lost in a big shopping mall because I have a good sense of direction. The player has control over Patch the Penguin's movement. When they click on different objects, he will move towards them. Like here, after clicking on the fan, the penguin jumps, touches the fan, and a question pops up. After the questions are completed for the stage, the player can move on to the next scene. The player's answers will also become data used within the matchmaking database. Some of the scene's gameplay are a little different but follow the same question-answer rule set. For example, in the second scene, the player needs to hit the control buttons in the right order. These buttons control the wheels and streetlights in the scene. If selected in the correct order, the streetlights will move and light up. The player will continue to answer the next questions that are given until completion. From the previous scene, Patch is tossed into the mysterious forest. The player needs to listen carefully to the pitches being played, then click on them so they play in the right order. If the pitches are played in a musical scale order, low to high, they will be allowed to proceed across the river. At last, Patch finds the castle, but how does he enter? The player needs to answer all questions in the right order and complete a series of tasks to get in the castle. After completing the tasks, Patch is finally allowed into the castle, but the chest guard will not let him in. The player must figure out what the guard wants and successfully chat with the king so he can pass through this scene. Patch eventually finds his way to the top of the castle tower. He is happy and has finally found his match. Once Patch finds his own match, the game ends for the player as well. On the screen will appear the name of the person who matches the player the most based on the questions answered throughout the game. So at the end of the game, Patch has found a new love, and the player has as well.